Hi, hello, meet me again, Muhammad Panji in cPanel Crash Course. In this video, we'll learn how to install Drupal6 from QuickInstall. So let's go to QuickInstall here and choose Drupal6 on the left. Okay, and then click Continue. Okay, I will install it on QI subdomain, qi.namaduma.in/Drupal6. Admin email is cPanel Crash Course. Site title is cPanel Crash Course. Admin username admin. Default time zone. Okay, let's leave it default. And let's click install now. Okay, so the installation is ready. We can check it here. Okay, this is our new Drupal site, and let's log in with the admin username admin, and paste the password. Okay, so we already logged into Drupal6 site, and you might want to change the password. You can click my account and then click edit. Okay, and then this is the password. Let's just add number. Okay, so this will give you guidance on what is the best password. Okay, I get high strength of the password. So try to use uppercase and lowercase. Okay, at least one or two uppercase, and the rest could be lowercase, and number and special character, so your password will be strong enough. Okay, and then you can choose this time zone also. So for example, I will choose to GMT +7 where I live. Okay, that's it. Changing the password and time zone, and click save. Okay, change has been saved. So that's it for this video. We already installed Drupal6 from QuickInstall and change the default admin password that randomly created by QuickInstall. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.